In this video, we will see how we can download Windows 11. At first, we need to go insider.windows.com/enus and then scroll down and you will find register button. Once you click register button, then you will be in this page where you need to sign in. And now we just need to click here and then we have to put the username and password for our Microsoft account. I'm just typing my Microsoft account username and then hit next button. Once I hit the next button, then I have to put the password of my Microsoft account and then hit sign in. Now once we able to sign in, then we will be getting this page. So here you will find here the Windows 10 Insider program. So basically we will download Windows 11 from this page. So at first we need to accept the Insider program and then we have to click the register now, this button, and then we have to go to the next step. So if we come to this page, then generally we will not find any information, but if we click the flag now button, then we might get the next page. So let's see what it is going. So here we are seeing that there is no link to download. So how can we easily find the download link? So that's very simple and easy. So what I need to do is just need to revisit the link which we typed first. So I'm going to click the address bar and I'm going to type the same address, and once we are in this page, then if we scroll down we will see there is no register button, but on the right side a little bit below there is quick connect and iOS source. So we just need to click here and then it will open this type of page where we can easily download the Windows 11 version of Windows. Now from this page we just need to go below for the link to download. So I'm going to scroll this page and at the bottom of this page we will find select an edition. So we are going to select the edition of Windows 11. So right now there are two versions. One is the dev version and there is beta version. Any version is fine, you can download or install. So right now I'm going to use the beta version because this is more stable than dev, but you can also choose the dev version if you are a developer or if you want to check all the latest feature. So I'm going to hit this beta version and then hit the continue button, and here basically it is asking the language. So I'm choosing a default language as English and then we have to click the button confirm. Once we hit the confirm button, then it will come to this page and it is telling that this link will be valid for 24 hours. Now hit this button 64-bit download and it will start downloading the Windows 11, and we'll see in the bottom of the browser that it is going to download this thing. It will take some time because we are seeing this the size of this Windows 11 is more than 5 gigabyte. It will vary based on the time you are downloading or when Microsoft is releasing different version of Windows. So that's all guys. In this way you can easily download the latest version of Windows 11, which is in preview mode. Basically it's not the latest, but Microsoft is planning to uh, release this Windows 11 very shortly. So that's all guys. Hopefully by watching this video you can easily download Windows 11. Thanks for watching the video.